What is up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And if you guys don't know what we're doing today, obviously the title above will tell you. So we are doing the plasti dip wheels with the new Hyper Dip Black. So I'm pretty excited to try it on the Corvette. I've been wanting to do it for a while. I wanted to put that plasti dip them at first. Found out that if the gloss, it's not as glossy. I've glossed the back already in the back of the car. And as you can see, that's more of a matte black. It's a little bit glossy. It's not, and I've done probably maybe 10 coats. Yeah, so I overdone it. I want to be glossy. Had the roof wrapped, so I just got done cleaning the car, and I washed it, detailed it, sprayed it. So I mean it's good to go. Got all the bugs off. I still gotta make sure the wheels are specifically clean. I'm probably gonna give some alcohol. Clean off the rims first. I'm really hoping that they attach to the chrome good enough. So that's what I am scared of. I don't know. I heard they do, I heard they don't. But they said they were plastic dip before I got the car. And then I'm also going to lower the front today. So back's already lowered. I might lower it a little bit more. I'm not maxed yet. So that's going to be pretty cool. What we're gonna do, I got some plastic bags from the dollar store, and they were in the auto section. I don't really know where the other part of it is, the bag it came in, but it's what it looks like. Just the bag. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bag behind on the calipers and the rotors, like I did on this side already. And I'm gonna go through, clean the wheel with alcohol, make sure they're clean, and start spraying. All right, guys, sorry if it makes any noise from the AC. I'll take this away from the AC. So, this is dipyourcar.com. The package came to me within a week or so. So that was pretty good timing. It actually took me a week to actually get this video start because, when you got a woman, she wants your time. So I'll go ahead and open up this package and I'll show you guys what's inside of the box. Alright, so what I ended up getting was 3. So you can actually use these as a gloss. It comes as a gloss and a black. So this is pretty dope. I don't gotta do so many layers to do plasti dip. As you guys can see, I have the other cans here as well. Looks like the cans come about the same size maybe. So these cans are actually like $11 on the website. It's like about the exact same size can as you would buy one for, I think these are like a $5, $6. I did actually get a plastic can with this same nozzle, and I will tell you this nozzle sprays 100 times better. So I'm pretty excited that it actually came with these. I know these intend to clog up sometimes, which isn't cool. But I did buy 3 of these. I'm gonna attempt to do my wheels with 3 of these. See how it goes. If I had to order another one, I guess I'll have to wait another week. But obviously if I'm making this video, it works. So this is the Emerald Black from Plasti Dip. It's called Hyper Dip. So want to see how this sprays. I'm going to start shaking the first one. What I'm going to be doing, I still needed to clean the wheels off first. I did already mask them all off, so we're going to get to that here in a second. So let's get to it. Also, guys, if you guys haven't tried, I'm not sponsored or anything, but you guys haven't tried Black Shine by this guy, so you can get it at your local auto store. I've been using this since Import Alliance about 7 years ago. There's a guy who was using this stuff, and I was amazed. I remember just being amazed by how well it looked when he sprayed it. And this thing lasts for a good week or 2. I mean, it's really good. It sprays. It does not foamy. It looks really good. I'll show you guys what it looks like after I get it on the car. I'm actually going to apply it to a towel or rag because I don't want it to get on the rim, because this will make sure that the plasti dip comes off the tire in one piece, and it comes off great. So it's like a coating, and it just peels right off the tire, so you don't have to mask or anything. So that's what we're gonna do. All right, y'all, so I got the tire shine on there. And I put that thing on the floor because I really don't want to get it on my garage door floor. As you can see right here, I did my calipers and I didn't expect the red to stain the floor. Can get that fixed with some, paint remover. But until then, we're about to try this first wheel. I'm gonna try to do one wheel, to see if make sure it's gonna stick before I do the rest of them, because I really don't want to, prep all these and then get screwed over somehow. So here it is, hyper dip. We'll go ahead and spray once. All right, looks like the nozzle in here is pretty well done. All right, hopefully that we don't get any drips or anything. So here goes nothing. So far, I mean, the coverage is amazing. So that's it. So as I can see right now, a bunch of little dots. So I don't know if that's because of the chrome or if it's because maybe something's wrong with the can. I mean, I did just clean it, so I don't really know what's going on. So I'm about to let it dry and see what happens. All right, so I'm finding out that this is working out perfect. I don't know exactly the hiccup it was. I guess it just had adhesion. I don't really know what the hiccup was, but I'm pretty sure it just had to, take a few coats to make it work. But so far, so good. I'm just about to start on the back. This is probably the third coat. What I'm gonna do is, since I can't get every single, area, whenever I get done with this, I'm gonna move the car forward, maybe like 2 or 3 inches, and then try to get the other side that I can't reach, like under here. I would spray up like this, but I don't really want to start making the can shoot out like part of, like little wet dots and stuff. So try to keep it as straightforward as I can. And yeah, it should all just connect. I've used plasti dip a couple of times. I used it back on my very first car, 5-6 years ago. I haven't used plasti dip since, except for like little door trims or something like that. And I also use the, the trim in the back of the car. So far so good. I only did one little spray on this one. I'm gonna do all 4 of them and come back whenever I get the second coat on. All right guys, so I've already done 1 coat on each wheel. I've done 3 on that one. And I've already used probably have like this much plasti dip left. It feels, yeah. So far I've done 4 coats. I still have enough in that can to maybe do the other side, and maybe 1 more coat on each one. This is what it looks like so far. Definitely glossy. I do like the results so far. Look at that. Let's see if we can get it on. So man, I cannot wait to get these done. I was gonna actually spray these with engine black, but I ended up changing my mind. He's like, you know what, I don't want to ruin the cost of these wheels because they are expensive. They are chrome, 06 reps though, but somebody might want them chrome more than black, so that's why I made it optional to take the plasti dip off. But yet again, I wanted the black wheels. I don't feel like buying radials and drag slicks at the moment, so I might actually just keep these wheels. Keep these as daily wheels. I mean, I feel like they're great. Give me a little, slicks for the rear. Maybe keep the same up front. I don't know yet, so. Sorry, I got mowing going on in the front. Yeah, that's what they look like so far. Well, guys, pretty sure there's a little bit left in it, but I'm gonna go ahead and start on the second can. So far, this is, I think, the 5th or 5th coat, maybe. And it's pretty much covered. It's still glossy, looks nice. Like from factory. It's the second coat on the back already. Looking great. Still got some spots it's got to fix up here. Same for this side. Going great. So I was able to get 5 coats out of that. 2, 2, and 2. So I mean, I'm able to get enough coverage for all the wheels. And this is already second coat. So, I mean, I think 3 cans is good. These are 19s and 20s. So, yeah. All right, y'all. This is the after. This is maybe about 6 coats in each. And then so far, everything's great. I use a total of about 2.5 to 3 cans, about almost 3 cans. The third can's almost done with. I'm gonna try to use the whatever's left of it to see if I missed any spots. But as far as I know, it's they're pretty good right now. I mean, they're pretty shiny. I'll try to get out in the light in a second. I pushed up the car manually, you know, I pushed it up and put a thing right there so I can roll it back and forth and mess with it. But as far as I know, I mean, I got everything on here. So when this all dries up, I'll back it out of the garage and get a better view of it.
Zany boss, suicide door, brand new bag. College girls, give a nigga head in my raps. Rockstar life, so much money, I'll make you laugh. Hey, the bitch they hate, and you can't miss what you never had. Hey, hey, off the juice, coding got me tripping. Cut the coupe, Walker roof is missing. Ice, lemonade, my neck was tripping. Ice, lemonade, my neck was tripping.
Addy boys got some 60s in my bag. Lips sealed, ain't pillow talking on no rag. In my earlobe, got 2 carats, VVS. Got a penthouse near Rodeo, off of stress. All this money, when I grew up, I had nothing. Filled with backstabbing, my whole life is disgusting. Can't believe it, gotta thank God that I'm living comfortably. Getting checks, I don't believe, but she say she done with me.